The cardboard butterfly effect and porn. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. Let's discuss the research behind how pornography is a super normal stimulus, how that shows up in your life and keeps you going back for more, and most importantly, number three, your brain tip, what you can do instead. Okay, number one, what is the cardboard butterfly effect? In 1973, the year I was born, believe it or not, a Nobel Prize was awarded to Nico Tinbergen for his discovery that involved cardboard butterflies. And what he discovered was when cardboard butterflies were decorated to be more colorful and more beautiful and more stimulating than the average butterfly, which is beautiful in and of itself, butterflies sought out the cardboard butterfly to mate. So the super normal stimulus, that's where the term came from, of a butterfly that does not exist in nature because of the high level of arousal and stimulation, would give these butterflies a more powerful instinct to mate with them. But they don't exist in nature. They are fake. So, what that research study showed is there are aspects in the world that are super normal stimuli or super stimuli. Pornography is the number one super normal stimulus in the world. Drugs are another super normal stimulus, not as much as pornography because it's internally motivated. Gambling, other behavioral addictions can have a supernormal stimulus effect to them. But pornography is number one. So, what does it mean? It means that when you are exposed to pornography on the screen and images come up that can't be found in nature and they are highly stimulating and highly arousing, it's like a cardboard butterfly. Actually, James Hetfield from Metallica made a film in 2017 called Chasing the Cardboard Butterfly, and it's about pornography addiction. And that is exactly what's at the root of a pornography addiction. And it goes to you watch scenes that don't exist in nature and your brain receives this deluge, this flood of dopamine into your system and opioid types of neurotransmitters that seemingly make you feel good. It's for pleasure and instant gratification, the easy button. All you have to do is hit one button and your brain gets flooded with dopamine, and you are receiving opioid pain reducing neurotransmitters, oxytocin, which is bonding your brain to the screen. And what it does is it keeps you coming back for more and more and more of this supernormal stimulus, and then it keeps you moving forward towards more edgy and more intense and more graphic scenes to keep leveling up the amount of neurotransmitters that your brain is receiving. That's what the cardboard butterfly effect is. So when we talk about effects, because I just made a video on the Coolidge effect, the cardboard butterfly effect is more important and more powerful for you to consider than the Coolidge effect. Yes, your brain is seeking out novelty. All of our brains are. We're especially in today's day and age where we have Instagram and Facebook and social media, and our life is moving at this pace. We want and we crave novelty. So yeah, the Coolidge effect, especially for men, is in place. But what's more important is the cardboard effect that is hijacking your brain even more than the Coolidge effect because of the super normal stimuli that you can't get in the world. So how do you back yourself out of that? You have to leave the habit behind, let your brain recalibrate and get back to wanting optimal arousal levels. No more super normal stimulation. Your brain has to be trained back to want normal stimulation because normal stimulation is healthy for your brain. It can be found in the world with a partner, with a honey who you use your oxytocin to couple yourself to your partner, and your brain receives the perfect amount of arousal and stimulation that it needs for happiness and pleasure, not the intensity that is found for extreme amounts of pleasure and instant gratification. That is how your brain has sustainability, and it doesn't have all the terrible side effects of pornography. So remember, you are chasing the cardboard butterfly. It is not real when you get in front of the screen. It should be an even stronger motivator for you to want to leave a pornography and masturbation habit behind, because it's fake, it's fraudulent, it's all a fraud. Okay, if you want help in that journey, please reach out to me at drtrishleigh.com. I have a variety of programs in different shapes and sizes that should serve you wherever you're at in life. And please go over there and check them out. I'd love to be part of your journey. Remember, control your brain, or it'll control you.